Hello YouTube. Alright, as promised, the GTR32 is back in the workshop to get chassis stiffening with ultra racing bars. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars that have been fitted. Fender bars on each side. The fender, obviously you can't see now because we've reinstalled the fenders. So this car will be stiffer. Unfortunately, we have a bar that fits up here which doesn't fit because of the high cast. Even with a high cast delete, it doesn't fit. The bar is right here. So for those who are thinking of installing this, somehow or another you need to remove your high cast. This part doesn't fit into here because of the high cast. Anyways, you get the idea. So whatever it is, I'm a fan of ultra racing bars because they are good and cheap. They do stiffen up the chassis of the car. It does as advertised, and yeah, can't wait to drive it soon. We've had to modify a few things to make sure the bars all fit, but the biggest modification that is required is back here. Once we install these ultra racing bars underneath, what happens is your exhaust doesn't fit anymore. Okay, these bars are definitely important for chassis rigidity. So what we'll have to do is actually replace this back box. It's too big to a smaller back box, and the angle of the exhaust pipe will have to go around this way. It's got to can't bend in so much. Got to go around this way. Play with the space that we have. I'll need to push these down pipes further up. Once I move this further up, then this bar can go up a little bit more. Maybe we can get another 1 inch of clearance. That will make a big difference. But you see, we've had to add the spacer that's half an inch here. This much. Almost 1 inch. So I want to take this away and mount this bar flush to the body. That way it doesn't protrude down so much that we have the worry of this hitting the road when you go into bump. Okay. Chop this up, bring this higher, and chop this up, and replace with a smaller box. Okay, the Skyline is going to go to the exhaust shop to get the ultra racing bars fitted properly. Exhaust is in the way in certain points, so we've got to adjust the exhaust location in order to get ultra racing bars fitted correctly. We'll continue this video shortly. Okay, so the Y down pipes have already been shortened. We chopped here at the flange, took out about a quarter or half an inch, pushed it up so that this gets more flush to the body railing, and our ultra racing bar can go up to its normal height. I've removed the spacer here, which was a half an inch spacer on both sides. It fits flush now. Hopefully it doesn't hit the road while we're driving. Then now we've got an issue with the back box. There's no space whatsoever back here due to having this new ultra racing bar setup. To make things quick and simple, we're gonna get new 3.5-inch piping and just make a straight pipe. No more box here. And we'll do a straight pipe here as well to make up the space. Okay, it'll be louder, it'll be a little bit noisier, but I think not by a lot, not a tremendous amount of noise more. Okay.